Hey Musical.ly, I'm Jessica Harlow. I've been seeing a lot of experimental looks on the runway. There's quite a bit that I want to try, but I can never pick out a color, so we're gonna do 2 colors. Let's get started. So I'm going to start out by first lining my lips, and I'm gonna work with 1 color at a time. So if you want something to last, there's really no problem with filling in your entire lip with lip pencil. Just lining that and filling it in, just the same way I did on top. So you see we've got 2 different colors. Even if I do this, it's not really showing up as like the 2 colors are turning into a completely different color. They're still maintaining their individuality. Then you can punch it up a little bit with some really exciting lip colors that are really vibrant. So I'm going to start with putting a pink right on the top lip. And you can always use a lip brush to apply this. And then I'm gonna go over the bottom with a really bright orange. You can go over the edges with like a pointed cotton swab and maybe like a little bit of makeup remover or even concealer. You can clean up any of the edges just to get a really nice crisp look. Then you could just blend out the edges of the concealer with like your finger or a brush. So then to kind of tie up this look a little bit better, I'm going to take one of my lip liners around my eyelid. That's it on the top. So then I'm going to take a white eyeliner pencil and apply that to the waterline just to really create more of a contrast and brighten the whole entire area up. Thanks for watching. Be sure to use the hashtag LipDuo so we can see your looks.